Okay, welcome to Tough Tribe training facility. We're here today to give you a little bit of an insight of what it's all about, and basically it's to get you mentally and physically ready for any OCR race. I've got the two guys here who've built the obstacle course training facility, and they're going to tell you a little bit more about why to come here to train.
Obstacle course racing can be taken part as an individual, where you have to actually progress and be able to get over walls, or you can take part as a team where you have to learn how to help each other, encourage each other, and of course it's about bonding as well. You can also learn to overcome fears, whether it's heights or tunnels that you're afraid of. Here at Tough Tribe, you can overcome them. This is the wall climb and the box jump. First things to note on it obviously are the heights. You need to be careful. We're not really doing anything on top, it's just a platform to then get back down again. Be careful when using this for any rope burns. The progression for this first item is a step up onto the box. Michelle, do you want to show us that one? Stepping up, that's it, nice and slow. Try to alternate the legs and then nice and slow down too. Excellent. The progression on from that to make it harder once you've mastered this is the box jump onto it. Andy, do you want to give that a go? Excellent landing. Soft knees, walk across the top and then soft knees on the way down. Good. Excellent. You can also do that carrying tyres and in other varying options, but the first two grades. The next one is the wall climb. The easiest version is to pull up with the rope. Mark's going to show us how to pull up without the rope. So we swing a leg up to the side to hook the heel in, pull the body up and over, and then down we go again. And that is the box jumping wall. Right, so we come over to the high incline, and the first thing you'll note is how tall it is. So obviously on this one, you need to be careful, look out for each other, okay? We don't want anyone falling off of the sides. When you've run up this, there's a big roll over onto the opposite side for a safety net descent, which we'll show separately. We're going to show a couple of different versions on how to get up it. Mark, if you can show the right hand side, it's coming up using the bars to propel yourself to the top. Pushing off of each one and pulling up on each side. If you hold it at the top there, we'll wait for Andy. Hit it as fast as you can. Run, 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 and then pull onto the top bar. So the net descent is one of the hardest things to do. To get from up here all the way down, you need to transfer your weight onto your feet and hook your feet into here whilst holding on to the top. So Mark and Andy will come down at the same time. You lay flat across the bar and start lowering down. Make sure every single foot is hooked in and make sure you don't let go. Nice and slowly, don't panic, keep stepping down. Well done. This is the steep half pipe. Again, we've got two options. It's different to the previous high wall because it's a lot steeper. Again, we've got two variations. We can climb up this side. Michelle, do you want to come up this side for me? Again, using the bars to propel yourself up. And then when we get into the top, it's a big jump to hold the weight up onto the top. Excellent, stay there. Onto the opposite side is a lot harder. You need to carry a lot of weight. You need to make sure that when you propel yourself on, your first landing foot comes into the middle here. That then gives you enough to take a second step and jump for the line. Lots of speed, propels, and he makes it. Big pull, and all the way up. Top job, Mark. Descent on this one is a lot easier. It's like a rock climbing wall, so we've got the kidney beans cut out. So to get yourself down, you reverse your bodies round, lay flat, and start to lower down until you can find a foothold. Well done, take your time. So have a look. Well done. And now you stagger down, always having 3 points of contact. OCR is not about how quick you get down, it's how relaxed and fluid the movement is. Well done. This is the pinwheels, and there's a few different ways you can use this one. You can use it with your hands, but we're going to show you how you use it with your feet and for your calves. So Andy and Mark, lay flat on your backs, get nice and close to the pinwheels. Put your feet on and start pedaling as hard and as fast as you can. And that's pulling on the ropes to wind the tyres in. Come on, come on, come on, go. Jump up, get round. Run it back. Excellent. So the weighted pull, again, you can do this in a couple of different ways. We can do it with pure arm strength, where you're standing up. Andy, do you want to show us that? Just arm strength, just pulling and then slowly lowering it down. Or we can use full squat and pull. Top job, and then slowly back down. Excellent. If you want a real burner, you can do it multiple times. For monkey bars, the main thing is to relax the arms and the shoulders. So try not to go across with rigid arms. So nice and relaxed, Andy. You can go side to side, hand to hand, or miss every other one. So there's a couple of options there. And over here we have the monkey rings. And again, it's the same principle, but nice and relaxed. And Michelle's going to show us how to do that. When you get to the third point, you'll see some lower rings. At that point there, we're going to have to hook our feet in and stand up and on and traverse from those points on. The final section to work on, once you've mastered the first two, is the third lane here, which is the monkey bars. It's the flying monkey, and basically you're going to swing, take off with both hands, and then grab and catch. So finally on the rig, we've got 3 different types of rope traverses that we can have a go at. First of all, Michelle's going to show us the standing and holding on to the top traverse. We're working from side to side, feet apart, feet together, hands apart and hands together. The second option that we're going to do, and is a grade up, it's slightly harder, is the laying flat commando crawl across. Andy, do you want to show us that one? Keep your knees on the outside, ankles on the inside. Get the body lower. Knees on the outside, that's it. Now shuffle. There we go. And the third and final traverse is the single rope traverse. Mark is going to show us this, where balance is key. You have to be long and flat across the rope with one leg hanging down to keep balance. Top job.